Hi, good afternoon. How are you? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? South part, but I'm from east part of India. East part of India, my state Odisha. Okay, then which state have you born and raised? Pink City, Jaipur. Okay, what do you do in there in Hyderabad? Are you a student or are you working? Which department are you studying? Technical, non-technical? IIT. Wow. Which year are you studying? Third year. Okay. I have completed my graduation. Then right now you are studying in third year. Then are you staying in hostel or rent house? Rent house. Okay. Then do you stay alone or do you stay with your friend? Pardon? Okay. Then how long have you been using this platform? Okay. Do you talk with your colleague, sorry, your friend and your professor? Do you talk with them in English? Can you do you talk with your friend and your professor, HOD, or your principal in English? Do you talk with them in English? Okay. How can you understand South Part language? Telugu. Okay, only greeting part, right? Okay, then do you wanna learn their language or you don't want to learn their language? Right, right. Then what's your native language? What what's your native language? Hindi. Okay. Then if you interact with them, then you talk with them in English, right? That's good. And after that, what's your future plan? What you wanna be? Okay. Then do you want to go abroad or do you wanna provide your service within India? Okay. Then first of all, pardon. Okay. Okay. Then which country do you have passport? Okay. Uh, hmm. Then right now you don't decide anything, right? Okay, then right now are you taking your lunch? Okay, then what time do you go your college? What time do you come back from college? Mhm. Okay, it's today holiday?
No holiday. My so I not go
Okay,
college.
you don't feel well, right?
Hmm.
That's
Hmm.
why you want to take rest, and right now you are inside your residence, right?
Hmm.
Okay, then medical facility also is there.
And go. What is your name?
Have you visited whole Hyderabad?
Whole means
I mean to say any historical place have you visited in there?
yeah, in Ramu I have visited.
I have also seen Ramoji Film City. That is
There are very wonderful places to see.
right, but if you want to visit whole Ramoji city, then you have to take 15 days. I think so, right?
But I only one day do and completely one day. So there are many places
Right.
what to see. So something minimum 5 days, almost five, two,
Five,
three, 4, 5 days, something.
I think more than 5 days, around 10 days. If you want to completely visit and if you want to know about everything, then definitely 10 days. I think so. Because I have also visited in there, then I know that kind of because you cannot visit whole thing in one day. That is so big
Hmm.
place, right? And so many
Hmm.
things in inside. Then because 10 days is not enough, I think so 15 or 20 days is enough. If anyone wants to go to Hyderabad, then definitely they should visit in Ramoji Film City, right?
Hmm.
Okay, and apart from Ramoji Film City, which place have you visited?
Hmm. I what asking? I not understand.
Apart from Ramoji Film City, and have you visited in different place in Hyderabad?
In North Savaradi, I visited Sri Saravana.
Andhra. Okay, right.
Hmm.
Then I have visited in Charmina, Golconda, Ramoji Film City,
Yeah,
museum.
Charminar also I visited because there are nearby me 20 kilometers something. So
Okay.
we started visiting you know new
Mhm.
in Hyderabad new संसद भवन को क्या बोलते हैं संसद भवन
Secretary,
है
Secretary,
और uh,
Parliament, Parliament.
क्या parliament new parliament
Mhm.
and there एक लुम्बिनी पार्क बहुत
Mhm.
काफी फेमस है
I
लुम्बिनी
also
पार्क है
visited in
और
there.
एक वन और चिड़ियाघर उसको जू पार्क है कौन सा है मेरे को याद नहीं वहाँ
Mhm.
पे विजिट हुआ था लास्ट ईयर जू पार्क उसका नाम है
And Ocean Park
याद
also
नहीं आ
inside. Ocean
रहा
Park, Ocean Park.
ओशन पार्क से तो है हमारे नजदीक में लेकिन वहाँ नहीं गया एक
Mhm.
दूसरा पार्क है उसका नाम नहीं पता
So many places in there in Hyderabad, right? But if anyone wants to visit, then 1 month also they cannot complete means visit all places. Good place in Hyderabad. Hyderabad people also good, and Hyderabad biryani famous in our country, India, right? Yeah, all people they tell if you go in Hyderabad, definitely you have to take Hyderabad biryani, right? That is
सॉरी
right, right. But people that tell about that kind of right.
yeah people are also like but I don't like them
Okay. Then how far from your college to your residence?